Today, we are going to use very simple basic shapes to overlapping make an animal. Today, we are going to make a doggy. You also can use this method to make any of animals that you like most. Let's start with pencil. First, we draw a rectangle. Then we add two triangles on each side. I'm thinking to adjust each triangle different height. That'll be more interesting. Under this rectangle, let's make two curvy lines opposite direction and add a circle on the middle, which is the nose, and also two eyeballs. Now Esther and I just put our cardboard together and we're making some background art that connecting with each other. We'll see how it works. Next step, let's draw doggy's legs. And you can draw some lines just on the background or overlapping through your doggy's body. You can see overlapping made several different areas. Later on, we can put patterns on each area. Now, let's use black Sharpie to outline all our lines. Esther is still working on her art. You no need to rush, and you can always pause the video.
I just started outlining because I'm a bit slow.
No rush, take your time. Let's add patterns to few areas. It could be some simple shapes or just the lines. Now let's start coloring. Because we are just working on a cardboard, I just choose to use oil pastel. It appears more brighter colors. If you have Play-Doh at home, you can play with your Play-Doh to give your art some texture. I'm making a highlight with my white color Play-Doh. Just put into doggy's eyeball. If you have magazine papers, the color page, you can just simply wrapping it, make it soften, and use glue to put on your art, make it more texture. For me, cause I want to make my art really rough and wild, I just put paper like that way. I don't make it flat It is very natural and soften and have a lot of texture, layer by layer put together. You don't need to fill all the places with colors, but for my art, I'm planning to put full of colors in all the areas. If you have color paper piece, you can use those right now to choose the area to put several different colors in one area, layer by layer, to see what it looks. For myself, I don't like to use scissors, but if you want to be making your art really neat, you can cut some shapes to put on your art also. Try to use the materials and your art supplies that you already have to make something fun, to be creative. And if you have glitter, you can add glitter too, which is really makes your art shiny. And also you have buttons and other things that you think it's possible to put on your art, you can try it all.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.